Welcome to the Strawberry Farm, Baguio. Ito ang ating Sweet Charlie Road. Uy, so over here we have lettuce plants. Dito naman, ayun yung mga strawberry natin doon. Yan ang Capitol over there. And there's the giant strawberry over there. And that's Bollywood over there. Bollywood. And here are the
Lanjikas. Ay? Oh no!
Welcome to Agri Dream Farm. So here we are here in the strawberry farm. Yan. Kainit, kalakas ng init, guys. So this is the weather in Baguio. Please don't forget to like, to support this channel. Thank you so much.